Besides the case, the keycaps will be the most visible part of your custom keyboard. So let's talk about the keycaps in this video, and I'm gonna explain you the differences between the different type of keycaps. Let's start with the ABS and the pudding keycaps, because they are keycaps that you're gonna use if you try or if you plan to include lightning in your keyboard. The ABS keycaps are made of plastic with a coating on it, and then with a laser engravement to make the letters visible. With the pudding keycaps, they are made of two parts of plastic. One that can shine through, and the other one, the black part, is the one that gives you the letter engravement. And with this two injection molding, you have a very durable keycap set for your lightning keyboard. The differences between the ABS and the PBT is that the ABS keycaps will be much more affordable. If you don't plan to include lightning in your keyboard, I would strongly recommend a GMK keycap set. They're made in Germany, they're very doable, very high quality. The only thing is that your lightning will not shine through. They are available in different variants, different colors, so we just have two examples here, but there will be much more available online on the store. So you have a really good choice of keycaps that fits your personal taste. Besides the brand new keycaps, you have also got the chance that you're gonna take an old keyboard and just harvest the keycap from the keyboard. And many enthusiasts do that because they like the old original vintage designs. So you just need a keycap puller for that, pull it off and then include it in your new keyboard. And these keycaps can really look nice if you take them and put it on a new keyboard. So that one was harvested from an old one. Besides the full keycap sets, there are also single keycaps available. Most of them are handmade. So the easiest way to have custom keycaps on your keyboard is like you can 3D print it and color it by yourself. Sometimes you receive keycaps from meetups like this one from the Mechanicon in Germany or from the Californian meetup. You can buy them online. They're very special made, handmade. That's called an Atlassian keycap, which looks pretty nice. And this one is a very special keycap. We received it from Destorothy as an award. So these are not available on the market or for sale. These are very special awards for manufacturers.